issue. So I'm gonna start off with priming my face, if I can find a primer. I'm gonna use the Baby Skin by Maybelline. So I'm just gonna squeeze out. You see that? Not much. I bought that much, and before I do that, my hands feel like. I'll be right back, guys. Hold on. Alright, I had to wash my hands because I felt like something sticky on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go back in, and yes, I did wipe it off, and and I'm just gonna take that small pea and rub it all over. I'm not gonna put any setting spray yet because I don't want it to come out so mattifying. So I'm gonna take, next I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just putting that anywhere where I have like little dark spots. It's easy, I don't let go, but I won't. I need your hand, need you right now. With a clean beauty blend brush. It's dry, it's not damp. I think it works better for me that way. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna push that in to the skin. Okay, so I put it up on my tablet. So I already did the concealed. I'm gonna go ahead and go in now with the foundation. The most I'm gonna do is just a little bit of. I'm not gonna do much. I'm not gonna do full face. And I don't feel like it. Let's see. I haven't used this in a while, so the foundation I'm gonna go in with is the Born This Way, right? Not Born This Way, Born This Way, the Tuesday. And the color is Butter Pecan. Shake, 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 shake. Trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kind of see-through lately with your good phone. Guys, this comes off like it's not full coverage, right? But once it's settled, you'll see it. You'll see. To understand you better, baby, tonight. I don't feel like putting on too much. I think that's good enough. It's freaking. I kind of put like less stuff on my face because I hate when I just hate feeling my face feeling heavy, so I kind of put less stuff on my face, and once I get home and take the makeup off, I hurry up and wash my face so I don't get bumps, because I hate wearing foundation because every time I wear it I get bumps, so my face just breaks. This is so annoying. It's like flying here. Yeah. So I don't know. Yeah. If you're not supposed to, but put foundation on your nose, but I do. No man get left behind, so no man get left behind. So I'm gonna take the Born This Way concealer in the color Maple. Maple. Let's see. Good news. So we're gonna let that dry down. I'm only gonna put it there. I'm gonna do everything else while that dries down. So the contour I'm gonna use is Hoola. The color is Toasted. Got a few more minutes. The color is Toasted. Where is my brush? I don't like go in with too much because you could tell, you could see, like it already looked like I got like high cheekbones, but I don't. So you know, is it a right and wrong way to put on makeup? Probably. But does it look like I care? No. This is gonna come out looking like pretty good after. So I don't have time to dick around and dick around. So the highlight color I'll be going in with is this. Well, it's more like a bronzer, right? So, but it's that too. Gold. I don't know if I want that there. Gold. That might be too goldish. Whoa. Could you see that? You can see it right. I don't know if I like that. Right? That is like heavy gold. Whoa. So I'm gonna go in with this color. Oh, whoa. We're gonna like, yeah. You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier the fighting, but I know. I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easy. I'm gonna go back in with the same brush. There should be some stuff left on it still. Period. Then these are the sponge I meant. I don't know where they came from. Oh, you know what? I think they came from Team. They're pretty cool though. They work. I'm just gonna push that in, the concealer in. I'm gonna take that now.
Struggling to see what I'm doing.
Yeah. 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 Should I put on eyeliner? Probably not, right? The problem is I don't have another 20 minutes to waste on eyeliner. Like, I just don't. I gotta go. Iron clothes. Hair clothes. I think that's about it. Let's see. So we're gonna rock that. Alright guys, so I got off track for a little, right? So I'm not gonna do much else because I wasted my time here. I love this palette. Did I tell y'all I love this palette? They bought me this years ago, and I barely use it like every palette I have. It's very pretty. So I'm just gonna go in with this color here in the inner corner. Wait, let's put eyeliner first. Wait, they don't love it like I love it. Wait. Where's my sponge? Okay, I don't know what happened to my sponge, so I'm just... So after a period of time, once I start using like any form of foundation, eyeshadow, anything, my eyes just start bothering me. So I'm 100% sure I'm probably like allergic to something, but it never fails. It just never fails. So, but we're gonna put a little bit more. And then I'm gonna bake right there. The powder I'm gonna be using is the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Whew, that's just a lot to say, you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just pretty much push it in. We're not going to set anything. We're not gonna like let it sit or any of that. No. I'm just going to push that in. Did I tell y'all I don't have time? I gotta get ready quickly, so. What time is it? Oh no, I gotta get my ass up. Okay. I think that's about it. I was looking for one more item to throw on my face. I think that's a little bit too dark. Let's see. I need something to like. I think that's it. I can't. I keep saying it and I keep sitting here and I gotta go. Like, I don't even care what the hell I throw on. I gotta put on something black. Can you see that? I don't think you can see that.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here?